Nature is beautiful, but it also carries a side that is raw, wild, and terrifying. Throughout history, we have witnessed moments when the earth, skies, and seas unleashed forces far beyond human control. These events didn't just break records. They shattered cities, destroyed communities, and left scars that are still remembered today. From storms that swallowed entire coastlines, to floods that drowned nations, to heat waves that claimed tens of thousands of lives. Extreme weather has shown us time and again just how fragile we are in the face of its fury. In this video, we'll explore 12 unforgettable moments when nature went completely wild, and why they continue to shape the way we see our planet today. 1. 2019. Cyclone Idai, Mozambique. One of the deadliest tropical cyclones to hit Africa, Cyclone Idai struck Mozambique, Zimbabwe, and Malawi. Winds of over 170 km/h, storm surges, and catastrophic floods left more than 1,000 people dead and millions displaced. It highlighted how vulnerable developing nations are to climate disasters. Two, 2020. Australian bushfires, Australia. Known as the Black Summer, Australia's bushfires burned more than 46 million acres, destroyed thousands of homes, and killed over 30 people. Nearly 3 billion animals were killed or displaced, making it one of the worst ecological disasters in modern history. Three, 2017 Hurricane Maria, Puerto Rico. A Category 5 hurricane, Maria struck Puerto Rico with winds of 175 mph. The storm devastated the island's infrastructure, destroyed power grids, and left many without clean water. With over 3,000 deaths, it remains one of the most tragic hurricanes in U.S. territory. Four, 2014. Southeast Europe floods, Bosnia and Herzegovina. Triggered by 3 months' worth of rain in just 3 days, massive floods swept through Bosnia, Serbia, and Croatia. More than 100 lives were lost, and entire towns were buried under water and mudslides. The worst flooding in the region in 120 years. 5. 2011. Thailand floods, Thailand. Unrelenting monsoon rains caused rivers to overflow, submerging large parts of Thailand for months. With more than 800 deaths, the floods also left severe economic scars, disrupting global industries since Thailand is a major hub for automobile and electronics manufacturing. 6. 2005 Hurricane Katrina, USA. Hurricane Katrina slammed into New Orleans, Louisiana, causing over 1,800 deaths. The city's levee system failed, flooding 80% of New Orleans. Katrina exposed deep flaws in disaster preparedness and government response, making it one of the most infamous storms in U.S. history. 7. 2003. European heatwave, Europe. A deadly summer scorched Europe with record-breaking temperatures, causing wildfires and crop failures. More than 70,000 people died, making it one of the deadliest heat waves ever recorded. The tragedy sparked urgent discussions on climate change and future global warming impacts. 8. 1998, Hurricane Mitch, Central America. Hurricane Mitch tore through Central America with winds of 180 miles per hour, but it was the relentless rain and flooding that caused most of the destruction. Over 11,000 lives were lost, mainly in Honduras and Nicaragua, leaving a generation scarred by its aftermath. Banda 9, 1991, Mount Pinatubo eruption, Philippines. Mount Pinatubo's eruption was one of the largest of the 20th century. Ash clouds shot 35 kilometers into the atmosphere, cooling the planet's temperature by nearly 0.5 degrees Celsius for several years. Over 800 people died, but millions were affected by crop failures and toxic ash. 10. 1980, Mount St. Helens eruption, USA. On May 18, 1980, Mount St. Helens erupted with the force of 24 megatons of TNT. The blast flattened forests, destroyed rivers, and killed 57 people. It remains one of the most studied volcanic eruptions in history. (11) 1976, Tangshan earthquake, China. In the early morning hours of July 28, a magnitude 7.5 earthquake struck Tangshan, China. Within seconds, the industrial city was reduced to rubble. With an estimated 242,000 deaths, it is remembered as one of the deadliest earthquakes of the 20th century. 12. 1931, Yangtze River floods, China. The deadliest flood in recorded history, the 1931 Yangtze River floods claimed the lives of an estimated 316,000 people. Torrential rains and overflowing rivers turned farmlands into seas, sparking mass starvation and epidemics across central China. These disasters remind us that nature is both breathtaking and brutal. Each event reshaped lives, nations, and even the course of history. As climate change intensifies, the question remains, will we be ready for the next time nature decides to unleash its fury? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful stories from history and nature.